What's up, everybody? It's JW, and today we are going to do a little bit of a Devil Forge unboxing. So let's get to it. So, like I said, this is going to be a Devil Forge 4 kilogram unboxing. Now, it did have a little bit of a hole in it, but not that big of a deal. A little bit of a smash. But, you know, it came all the way from Lithuania. So, I mean, it did make a trip. So we'll see how we do it. Today we're going to pull out all the components, check them to make sure they're not damaged, put it all together, and then we're not going to turn it on today because it does take some prep to get ready to turn on. But we're just going to assemble it all together, make sure we have all the parts, and just do a little bit of a setup. So here we go. All right, so here we go. We've got all the parts. We have the Devil Forge itself. For a size comparison, that is my hand. That is the Devil Forge. So this is a 4 kilogram one. You can see right there. So there's that. Now you have the burner itself, the hose, all the assembly parts, the regulator, and the brick that goes in the bottom of the oven. So it comes with the rigidizer for the glass inside. So pretty cool. The coating brush to apply it. And then the little piece of glass to go around the edge of the burner when you put it in the hole. So put it there. And so let's put it all together, and I'll show you guys some things that they say in their instructions, some important things to look at before or when you put it together before you fire it up. So here we go. Let me get it put together, and then we will come right back. So there we go, it's all set up. Now I have it out here, pretty much where I'm going to be using it at, right at the stoop of my garage. So hopefully all the heat kind of bounces out. So let's see here. We have the choke. This is a set screw for the choke. So once you get that adjusted, here we go, move this guy back. So first, you know, with the fuel going in first, and then this guy might be a little bit stuck on that one. I have to get the wrench out for that, but we got the valve, cool, so that's just closed, in line, so there we go. We put the extra little piece of glass right there so it prevents it coming out through the burner. And then you guys can see in the bottom, I'll get the little piece of rock and put it down in the bottom. But you can see the hose is pretty long, which is really good, so you can keep the fuel away from the furnace. But we'll drop this in there so you guys can see at least what it looks like in there. Of course, I'm going to take it out when I prepare it, but so there's that. Now, the instructions did say the burner needs to be flush with the inside. Flush with the inside of the glass, so there's right there. So I might actually pull it out a little bit further, but either way, there you go, you can see that. So there it is for the setup. And of course, had to find a wrench for all the different sizes, but here we go, there is the valve. Of course, that is a left-hand thread. And then we have the valve right there with the gauge. Of course, make sure your hose clamps are tight. These two are actually opposite threaded, so the outside one is a left-hand thread. The outside one's a left-hand thread, and the inside one's a right-hand thread. So you can put 2 wrenches on there to make sure they get tight. Now they are brass, so I'd recommend not over-tightening them. The valve here, screwed all the way out, is off. Screwed all the way in is on. So what I did was I cracked open the fuel tank just a little bit to hear the gas come through. So this all the way down is full throttle, I guess you could call it, with the gas on. So we will pull it all the way out there. So it's almost to the point where it's going to fall out, and then we'll open it and you can't hear anything going. Now if I were to screw this in, you could hear it going. So there is that. So it has pressurized the line. So what I'll do is I'll close the tank, come over here, and we should hear it come out right there. So just a tiny bit, make sure it works. The seals work, it held its pressure. So I think we got to put it together right. So the next video is going to be setting this up for use. I'm gonna do the stabilizer on the inside of there and on the lid. So we will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions, you can email my email down below, and I'll see if I can answer them. Otherwise, they do come with instructions. So see you guys next time, and hopefully we'll get melting soon. See you later.